You are exhausted, but you can't sleep. You lie there, staring at the ceiling, mind racing, body tired, but something keeps pulling you back to the screen. Here's what's actually happening inside your body when you do that, and why it isn't weakness. It was installed. Your brain runs on a 24-hour internal clock. Scientists call it the circadian rhythm. For millions of years, this clock had one signal: light. Sunlight in the morning meant wake up. Darkness at night meant prepare for sleep. It was simple. It worked perfectly. Then we invented a device that produces artificial light and started holding it 3 inches from our eyes right before bed. When light hits the back of your eye, it travels to a tiny region in your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Think of it as your body's clock tower. This clock tower controls a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin is your sleep signal. When it rises, you get drowsy. Your body temperature drops. Your heart rate slows. Your phone suppresses it. A 2025 study confirmed that blue light from screens, the exact wavelength your phone emits, delays melatonin release by up to 90 minutes. 90 minutes of sleep, stolen, every single night. But here's what most people don't know. Blue light is only half the problem. Researchers studied what happened when people scrolled social media before bed versus those who read a physical book. The blue light was similar, but the social media group took far longer to fall asleep. Because it wasn't just the light, it was the content. Every notification, every comment, every piece of news triggers your brain's threat detection system. Your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol was designed to keep you awake and alert in moments of danger. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a threatening news headline and an actual predator. The response is the same. Heart rate up, breathing shallow, mind activated. This is not a sleep problem. This is a survival system being triggered by a 6-inch screen. Now let's talk about what one bad night actually does to you. After 17 hours without sleep, the cognitive impairment you experience is equal to a blood alcohol level of 0.05%. You are legally impaired. After 24 hours, that number reaches 0.10%. That is legally drunk. And most Americans are doing this not once, but every single night. 25% of Americans have missed a meeting, a deadline, or a shift at work because of bedtime scrolling. Not because they were irresponsible, because the app was designed to keep them awake. Here is the cycle nobody draws for you. You scroll at night. Cortisol stays high, melatonin gets blocked. You sleep late. You sleep badly. You wake up tired. You reach for your phone to feel something. Dopamine, a small hit. And the day begins already in debt. Poor sleep raises cortisol further. High cortisol disrupts dopamine. Disrupted dopamine kills motivation. And by afternoon, you are running on empty, wondering why you feel so far behind. This is not laziness. This is chemistry. But here's what the same science shows. The cycle breaks faster than you think. 3 days of protecting your sleep, no phone 60 minutes before bed, and melatonin levels begin to normalize. 5 days in, cortisol drops. Mood stabilizes. Focus returns. Not because you changed who you are, because you stopped letting a machine override your biology. Your body still knows how to sleep. It was always waiting for you to put the phone down. Now you know what it costs when you don't. What you do tonight, that part was always yours.